The next one, this is actually a very special occasion that we have Miss Taiwanese. She actually came from LA, right? But she's studying in Berkeley. She's going to present us a Lady Cha Cha. This is Miss Taiwanese American.
My name is Natalina Chen, and I'm the 2025 Miss Taiwanese American First Princess. 我是2025台美小姐第一公主. Right now, I am a sophomore at UC Berkeley studying applied math and double minoring in dance and cow teach. 我在伯克莱念大二念数学. Today, I'll be performing a self-choreographed Latin ballroom routine in the cha-cha style, so please feel free to clap along as I dance. I'm wishing you all a happy Lunar New Year, 新年快乐，马大成功，谢谢大家，多谢。